What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we will be unboxing the Canon 90D. Yes, you heard me, the Canon 90D. This camera took forever to get here, and I'll explain to you all about it in this video coming up. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this one.
Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications whenever we share a video.
What's going on, everybody? Moe Williams here with Remax Elite. Yes, the unboxing of the Canon 90D. I'm so excited. It took me forever to get this camera into my hands. I ordered this camera back on April 9th. Today is April 23rd. I'm just receiving this camera. Almost 3 weeks. As a matter of fact, it is 3 weeks. Today is Thursday. I ordered it on Thursday. Got it April 23rd on Thursday. 3 weeks. I'm not going to speak about the two companies involved in this transaction, but I called one company, they blame this company. Called this company, they blame that company. Nobody had an answer. Nobody knew where this camera was at. Everybody blamed each other. Oh, they're supposed to ship it. Shout out to the Paging Zone. Ordered it from them on Monday. Guess what? It arrived today on Thursday. Yes, shout out to you guys. Thank you very much. It should have been here yesterday. UPS has some issues. It's COVID. I get it. But now, the moment we all been waiting for, let's get to the unboxing of this camera. The EF lens, 1855, aperture of 3.5 to 5.6, I think. Who knows? I'm not a tech expert. Let's open the box. Limited warranty, a book, battery charger, battery, the neck strap. Here it is. The 90D. It's the lens. Let's attach this bad boy. We ain't. This thing is freaking amazing. Fits comfortably in my hand. And I have big hands, by the way, and that fits nice in my hand. Get right to the shutter. Nice little display screen. Nice tight dial. You gotta press the button to kind of spin this thing around to get to the mode you want. On button. The screen. I need this because I've been filming this with my cell phone, which done me very well for the last 3 videos. But now, bam. Got my screen flips out, flip the other way, so when I'm vlogging, I can see myself. When I'm shooting my own videos by myself, which I mostly shoot most of them by myself, I can see myself. I can see what's going on, see if I'm framed, make sure the video is not blurry all that good stuff. True great investment. And for my business, my real estate business, I get to take professional pictures for my clients. I get to take nice photos of their house. I get to shoot a cinematic video and post a video of their house and try to get it good marketing so we can sell it, get some good traction, and get it out there. I'm not gonna sit here and speak about all the specs and all these different things. I'm not a tech guy. I'm a real estate agent, and I had an investment in quality camera to get this YouTube video, the YouTube channel going, get the real estate business going, and produce top quality pictures and videos for my clients. So this is why I made the investment into this camera here. In this unboxing, I also picked up, let's open this up real quick. Put a lot of tape on this thing. I'm kind of just rip it. Little small tripod. You can grip this thing on yourself. You can flip it for nice vlogging, view angles. Had to pick this up. Also picked up the Rode VIDEOMIC Pro. Great mic, great little shotgun mic. Throw on top of the camera. So when you're vlogging, you get good audio. You know, just picked up a few pieces, a few toys to get the channel going. Try to generate a little more traffic on the channel. Try to bring amazing content to my audience, everybody out there. Now I'm filming from the Canon 90D. Man, this thing is amazing. It's a beast. I really can't wait to get it out into the streets, test it, get it in front of my clients with this camera, really practice my own skills, and really see where it's gonna take my talent. So once this quarantine is over, once this pandemic is over, you will see me out in the streets with this camera. I'll be coming to my client's house. When I'm doing listing appointments, this camera will be on the scene. So stay tuned. I'm bringing more content. I'm shooting more videos. You're gonna see my face all over the place. All right, but on the real, great camera. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Canon 90D. Woo! Beautiful camera. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, smash that like button, comment down below about the camera. Also, don't forget to visit the website. That's also in the descriptions down below. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Love this thing.
Be sure to subscribe.